A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you need to cancel your membership on the Walmart app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Walmart app. Launch the Walmart app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the membership you want to cancel. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to memberships. Look for the memberships or subscriptions option in the account settings. This section will show you all active memberships linked to your account. Step 4. Select the membership to cancel. Find the specific membership you wish to cancel and tap on it. You should see an option to manage or cancel your membership. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for cancellation or confirm your decision. Make sure you see a confirmation message at the end. Remember, if you don't see the cancellation option, it might be due to a trial period or specific membership terms. If you run into any issues, contacting customer support can help clarify your options. I hope this guide helps you navigate the process smoothly.